I'm going to teach you how to create a music like a musician, which have been existing, just like the recent artists that have been trending online, that have been an AI generated musician. But today I'm going to teach you a detailed tutorial on how to generate this, from the image down to the music to the creation. All of this, the tools you are going to use is free of charge. You don't need to start cracking your brain to get this. With this detailed tutorial, you are going to learn how to create it. Welcome to Victoria Creative Tech. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, like, comment, and share to your friends so that they can also gain more value. Let's move into the tutorial right now. Firstly, the app we are going to use to generate our image prompt. Now let's head over to Pinterest. When you come to the Pinterest app, on the search bar, we'll look for professional musician lady in suit. So I'm just looking for a picture that best describes what I need, so that we can copy the prompt to generate our image. So I want to choose one of this picture. This is the picture I need. When you tap on it, it will still bring in similar pictures for you. So you click on these three dots and download the image. Whenever you download an image and you put your prompt in ChatGPT, let's go over to ChatGPT. Make sure you tweak the prompt. Click on the plus sign to bring in that image that I have downloaded. So whenever you download an image from any app, make sure you tweak your prompts. Let there be a little difference from the main image. So I'll ask ChatGPT to write out the prompt for me. Write out the prompts of this image, but make it a full portrait and tweak the prompts and tweak it. So I'll click on the icon facing up and wait for the generated prompt. This is it. I'll copy it and paste it in my notepad so that I can edit out some of this place. I'll just cut out here. I want to edit some of the prompt to suit to my own. After creating the prompt, I'll click on this plus sign again to bring in my image to recreate the picture. I'll paste the prompt and I added the aspect ratio 16:9, the YouTube video. But if you want your own aspect ratio to be the 9:16, the YouTube short, you can add it there and click on it to create the image. You can also use your Gemini AI, the Nano Banana. You can also use other AI generation app to create this image of yours. I'll paste the prompt in the description box. This is beautiful. If you want to save it, you tap on the picture and click on Save. Let's head to our Chrome browser. Come to your Chrome browser and type Gemini AI, Google Gemini AI. So the good news is this: Gemini AI can generate a music for you. So with this Gemini AI, you can create all of your image, the reggae music, the blues, the worship music, any type of music you want. Gemini AI can generate it for you. Scroll down and click on this Create Music. You can still download the app on your mobile phone, but want to describe our prompts. I'll tap here and describe my prompt. Create an Afrobeat music filled with emotional inspiration. So I'll say create an Afrobeat music filled with emotional inspiration. Click on this icon to create it. So it has created an Afrobeat with emotional and inspiring music. Oh, nah, nah, yeah. You tap on it and click on this drop down to save it to your file. It has two versions, video audio with cover art or MP3 track. I need the MP3 track. You can also still download the video version if you need the two. You can still download the two. Now on this same Chrome browser, we'll type Queen AI. To open this way, this screenshot is a Chinese app. So when the interface is this way, you click on video generation. Tap on this plus icon, this plus here, and upload your image. The image we downloaded earlier, I will upload it here. Wait for it to process. Now I will describe the image aspect here. You can change the ratio of the video you want to generate. You change it there. I'm going to write, let her make a movement. The movement is what we need, and I will delete other write up there. The movement you only need, take notes. And I'll tap on this icon to generate it. We'll wait for the image to process. It has been generated. One thing we don't need what it's saying, we just need that hand movement.
Let her make a 30 minutes movement singing filled with emotional inspiration.
We just need the movement. That is what we need. You download it. The next app we are going to use to generate it is the Dreamface app. This is the Dreamface app. I'll click on this avatar, the talk and sing. That is what you are going to tap on. Now it's going to show this way. Click on this plus sign to put in that video you want. You tap on it and add your video, access your camera, and put in that video we generated earlier. I said want avatar to say or sing. You click on it and click on this import. You import the music. You can play the music here to be sure if it's what you want. You click on confirm. After putting it, you click on this animate for it to animate the picture. Now we're going to wait for some minutes or seconds for it to generate the music. Down here, you can view it later in your profile. When making use of any profile picture, make sure the face is fully, there is nothing covering the face. The picture is in a higher resolution so that it can generate perfectly well for you. It has generated the music for us. I'm going to play it so that you can see how beautiful and sweet it is.
Yeah. Them say the road no easy, but see me now. Steady on my grind, blessings just there.
Wow, very beautiful. If you don't want this watermark here, you can upgrade to the Pro version. But with the free download, a watermark will be placed on your video. For you to download it, you click on this download icon and download it. You can also use the lipsync.video app to generate yours. You click on the singing 2.0. You upload the photo you want to use to sing the music. Go to your profile and upload the picture. Now you click on that upload audio. After uploading the audio, you can upload up to 40 seconds. After uploading, you wait for the app. Play the music to be sure if it's what you want. And on this app, they give you daily coins if you log into the app on daily basis. Next is for you to tap on the generate, and a 40 credit will be used to generate it.
Ooh, yeah. Sun drawing down low now. Hear the wisdom flow from me grandpa.
Make use of this opportunity to generate massive income. I hope with this detailed tutorial, you have learned how to generate a perfect music and a lip sync that you're going to use for any of your social app. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. I share tutorials on AI animation and creative tech. See you in my next one.